Hi guys, here we are at Rowston Level Crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. This is our third closure in 5 minutes. There we go. Now, the time is 9:36 on Friday the 20th of February 2015. This is for, I'm losing my iPad because my hands are that cold. This is for our 9:34 2 Kilo 28 East Midlands train service from Peterborough to Lincoln Central. And this is our third closure in about 5 minutes because about 5 minutes ago 9:32 to Peterborough came through. About 2 minutes ago, our Doncaster to Peterborough just came through, which is the freight liner. And now we've got Peterborough Lincoln Central. And after that, we've got about an hour. Yeah, about an hour after this. Next one's at 10:30. Oh, there's a lorry coming. It's not often you ever stop a vehicle at this crossing. There she is. 333. It's a double this time. What the heck is he doing? 153,311! 153,311 to 153,355 to Lincoln, and up they go. He's putting his back thing up. Thanks guys, we'll see you in the next video.